Here's how to fix Discord not opening on PC. Follow each step until it works. First, clear Discord cache. Press Windows R, type %appdata% and press Enter. Open the Discord folder and delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. If you cannot delete them, open Task Manager, find Discord, and click End Task. Then try again. If that does not work, right-click the Discord shortcut on your desktop, go to Properties, then Compatibility. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. If Discord still will not open, press Windows key and search for Command Prompt and run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for it to scan and repair any corrupt files. If nothing works, uninstall Discord from Add or Remove Programs and reinstall it fresh from discord.com. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.